on by us. And there's the third one. And he's coming out after us. But look at all the river over there. Mini Cooper, I'd have that top down. If I were in my Mini right now, I'd have the roof open. Yeah, from here I can't really show you how far that river is down there. It's quite a ways. But I can honestly say I have never seen this much law enforcement on this road before at one time. And to be so lucky to have one behind us, that is just super. Alright, so this is where the road starts getting really good. Like really good. So if you're on that white line coming up, your passenger is just going to freak out. I can't really show you that drop off. That drop off is a long ways down. I mean, I just can't explain to you how far down it is off the side of this road. But anywhere along here, along this left-hand side, if you get a pull off, that's where to take pictures from. Because it is a long ways down off that left side. And they put a guardrail up. That's cheating. It used to be, if you see this little rock wall here, that little rock wall was the only thing there when you drive down this road. But alright, I'm done. I'm going to tap out for this video. And I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see a Toyota 4Runner anymore. I don't either. So I'll talk to y'all later.